Hey everyone! Last time we showed that you could create a dummy app in your Ember application, and you could serve it on localhost 4200. And that dummy app is in the tests folder in your Addon. But you can also, aside from doing manual testing with the dummy app, you can also do automated testing on it. It does come with some built in, and in this episode, we'll show you how to make your own. Our example will be an acceptance test, so we'll use the ember-generate command to create an acceptance test called blink tag. And so that's going to generate something in our tests folder. Let's go there, and we'll find it's created a new acceptance folder, and then it's created this test in QUnit. It does QUnit by default, but you can use Mocha as well, just like you can in a regular Ember app. And so this acceptance test, when it visits this, it's going to visit this URL in the dummy app. So for your acceptance tests, all of it is within the dummy app. And this is actually all there is that's different with doing the add-on acceptance tests and regular acceptance tests. It's just that you're using the dummy app as the app for those tests. So if you want to, you can go ahead and go start making your own acceptance tests right now. For the rest of the video, I'm going to be creating a couple specific tests in here that the thought process I go through may be helpful to you, they may be not. So you can choose whether to continue to keep going or not. So let's start by checking that this test is passing. And it looks like it's not, and wow, it's really not passing. So we're getting calling set on destroyed object. And as you can see, it keeps on doing this. This tells me that there's a broken loop somewhere. And that would be in our add-on component here. So it's getting destroyed, and then it just keeps on going with the interval. So we can do if self.isDestroyed. So if it's not destroyed, then we'll do the toggle property. And this is the sort of thing that Ember concurrency, which was recently announced, is really good at solving, so that you don't have to do this isDestroyed check. But we're not using that right now, and this makes it work. So our acceptance test is passing. And this isn't just in the test, by the way. This did uncover an actual problem that might have come up if we were using this in a real app. So it's good that we did this. Next, we'll go ahead and we'll assert that it's actually showing. So we'll assert that hey is here in the h1. So assert.equal. And first we'll grab it using jQuery and get the text and assert that it's equal to hey. But you'll see that this is also grabbing the dummy tests header right here, and that's not what we want. So to get around this, you might think first to try doing this, but that also doesn't work. I ended up using the find helper. And so the find helper, it understands Ember, and so it'll only find it within the dummy app and not in the header of the Ember app on the test page. So that's the basics of testing your add-on, plus a little bit of my experience testing it. I'll see you next time.